What is going on, my fellow navigators, and welcome back to another video. My name is PokeNav and I am here to help you navigate the world of Pokemon one video at a time. Today guys, we're going to be doing an opening of Rebel Clash Pokemon Sword and Shield, but it's going to be a little bit different. This is my second video here for the nature openings, and today guys, as you can see behind me, if you don't recognize these rock formations, I am in Sedona, Arizona. Now this is located in northern Arizona. I'll show a map so you guys can kind of get an idea of where that's at. But it is one of the most beautiful places on Earth. And yeah, you guys heard me, on Earth. Nowhere else in the world can you find rock formations like this. I'm actually gonna be up here for a few days, and I figured what better opportunity to get you all outside again, open up some Pokemon cards, and do so with one of the most gorgeous backdrops you can find. So we're gonna do a different card, different pack every day in some different locations, so things will look a little bit different. But I hope y'all are excited for this. I know I am. Let's go ahead and get right into it, guys, with the first pack. Whoop! All right guys, so here we are at our first spot. As you can see behind me, the backdrop is just amazing. You really can't beat the scenery out here. It really is just gorgeous. And if you guys aren't familiar with Sedona, it is a pretty powerful place when it comes to energy, healing, things like that. I guess if you believe in that kind of stuff. But nonetheless, let's just hope that the spirits are with us today. We'll go ahead and jump into this first pack and see what we can come up with. All right guys, so start off there. Got a code card for everybody. We'll get that 4 cards from the back. All right, let's see what we can get into. We're gonna start off first with a rock energy. Try not to block out too much of the background for you guys. All right. Halucha. Not two. All right, and that is the reverse. We've got a Dracloak, and the rare is an Abomasnow. All right, you know what? We really can't go wrong today, guys. No matter what we pull, it's a good day in my book because we're in such a beautiful place. But we'll go ahead and move on to the next spot, see if we have any better luck. All right, guys, so here we are at our second and last stop of the day. I'm gonna try something a little bit different with this opening. Instead of sitting here in front and opening up packs in front of the camera, I'm actually gonna go behind the camera. One, so you guys can get more of this background, and two, because I can't tell what I'm reading when I'm posting the cards from this side. So I'll go ahead and flip back around and we'll get into it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into this pack. We got another Rebel Clash pack. See what we can get. Again, where else on YouTube are you gonna find a background like this when you're opening up Pokemon cards? You guys tell me. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into it here. Don't worry, I'm gonna pick up all of my trash. All right, there's a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's see what we can get into. All right, we got that Water Energy, Luxio, Dracloak, Tranquil, Wingull, Koffering, Bronzor, Toxel, Litwick, Reverse Lombre, and a Diggersby. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and jump to the future, and I will take it to future Pokenav. Take it away. Whoop! And thank you for that, Pokenav from the past. Today, guys, we're hitting the trail again. We're going up to a place called Cathedral Rock, one of my favorite spots here in Sedona, and really for one reason. It's the place that I proposed to my wife about 3 years ago, so it means a little bit more to me than most spots, but it's one of the most beautiful places here in Sedona, so I'm really excited to open some cards up on the trail. Just so you guys can see, that is Cathedral Rock. We're making our way to it. I had to park pretty far away because today's Saturday and the trails are popping. There is a ton of people out, so hopefully we can find us a little spot to open up some cards. And then, who knows, maybe along the way, maybe we can find someone to open them with us. But nonetheless, guys, we'll have some fun. You'll have some cool scenery. And let's go ahead and open up some cards right now. All right, guys, so here we are at our first stop. Had to lose the shirt. It was getting pretty toasty out here. But nonetheless, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this first pack. And as you can see behind me, we're near the top of Cathedral Rock, so you've got a really good view of most of Sedona in this shot. So I'll go ahead and do just like yesterday, go ahead and open the cards from the back so that you're just seeing my hands and the cards and then the scenery behind us. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys, and enjoy. which is actually kind of appropriate because I've seen a ton of butterflies along the way. All right, guys, we got one more stop. We're gonna go to the very top, to the very spot that I proposed to my wife, and we'll open up the last pack of cards. All right, guys, so the other spot was super busy, so we're gonna actually do the shot from here. Still really cool angle, and we'll go ahead and get into this last pack. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into this last pack here. Probably got a bunch of people behind me wondering what the heck I am doing. Get into this last one. There is a code card. But hey, there's a lot of strange people up here in Sedona, so I'll fit right in. All right, we got a glaring Mr. Mime for the reverse and hollow clefable. Finish it off, and how appropriate. The fairies, the orbs, the spirits, they're all here today. All right, guys, so I hope you really enjoyed this opening over this last couple days. It's been a blast doing it. It's been so much fun getting out on the trails, opening Pokemon cards. You really can't ask for much more. As the wind picks up tremendously, the spirits must have heard me. But guys, thank you again so much for watching. Be sure to like the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to hit that notification bell. I'm going to have more videos coming out on these nature openings. I want to come up with a creative name for this series rather than just nature openings. So be sure to let me know down in the comment section what you think a good name would be for this series. And who knows, maybe I'll choose that name. But guys, again, my name is Pokenav. I'm here to help you navigate the world of Pokemon one video at a time, and I will see you all in the next video.